It's March 24th. We just got through with course 18, which is 3/4 of the way around. We're going to step it in a half bag every course from this point on, coming in towards the wall of the loft, which we got put in yesterday.
It's April 1st, 2012. We came out this weekend and got 2 courses done. They're not full courses now. They are gonna step in, like you see right there, all the way up until they come to loft height. That'll give us the structure of a circle, but we're not having to close the whole thing in. The loft will be 5 feet high with a door right here, and then outside will be patio area where we can walk on it and maybe put the barbecue grill on it. Here also we're going to have a window so the loft can have its own AC. Inside this weekend we got our bathroom door put in. We also put in those horizontal supports and then the 2x4s up there at the top too, to give a little bit more support to the loft above it. And those ones right there can support any paneling or drywall we put into it. Another thing we got done inside is one of our diagonal beams, diagonal 4x4s put in. That supports the roof above it so that we can walk on it and not really have to worry about how strong it is.
April 22nd, 2012. We got 4 days to go. It's April 22nd, 2012. 4 days shy of 4 months since we put our first bag down. We just finished up this morning putting the very last bag into the walls. Still left to do is put the roof on the loft, the framed wall of the loft, the bathroom, downstairs, and a floor. We're done with bags.